There's almost nothing you can say good about bill consolidation schemes. It's amazing that people fall for bill consolidation scams. I'll call them scams instead of schemes all the time. You know, you do it out of a feeling of guilt. You want to pay your creditors. They give you a song and dance. They tell you you can pay some, you can pay others directly. But, you know, it just doesn't work. Really, it doesn't. The only type of reliable bill consolidation that's been proven to work is Chapter 13, debt repayment. It takes years to repay debt. You need the power of the bankruptcy court against these bill collectors. And if you just deal with some of them and don't deal with all of them, it really doesn't work. You also have a situation where you can lose your job or get sick or have a reduction in income or have some other disaster, and you just can't pay the bills anymore. You've been in bill consolidation. They all come back on you. The magic in Chapter 13 is that it handles all of your debt in most cases. The real secret sauce is you're paying your secured debt, like vehicles and mortgages, first before unsecured creditors such as medical bills and credit cards get anything. Can't do that in these phony debt consolidation scams. In Chapter 13, the unsecured creditors have to wait until your secured creditors are paid and your attorney's fees are paid before they get any money. So that's the secret sauce in Chapter 13 that makes it work. You don't have to pay your unsecured creditors in full, and they have to wait to get money until your secured debts are paid, and there's not much they can do about it. In many cases, we're able to pay your vehicle in full and then take $30,000 in credit cards or medical bills, for example, and pay them only $3,000. That's 10 cents on the dollar. That's $27,000 in debt forgiveness. There's no, it's tax-free. How about that one? There's no bill consolidation or debt settlement scheme that can do that, and there are several reasons why. Number one, bill consolidation or debt settlement depend upon the cooperation of the creditor. No cooperation of one creditor, they can blow up the whole thing. Number two, if you have more than 2 or 3 creditors, bill consolidation or debt settlement usually doesn't work because it's hard to get them all to cooperate. And if one doesn't cooperate, they can take collection action, and then you're getting garnished while you're paying the other 2. So, you know, without just one creditor, bill consolidation or debt settlement doesn't work. And if you only have one, you can call them up, frankly, and make the deal yourself. The case of a single lawsuit, if that's your only problem, you can ask the judge for a stay of execution. You will take some time to go to court, but if you don't have, you know, any other defense you can beat the case on, and we rarely find a one-debt bankruptcy is something you need. So if the debt is not too big and, you know, you think you can consolidate or settle it, do it yourself. Number 3, many of these bill consolidation or debt settlement schemes have been sued by consumer protection bureaus. They keep popping up like cockroaches, some of them under different names. They're not licensed attorneys. You don't know where they're operating. They have nothing to lose by defrauding you. Stay away from them. Number 4, bill consolidation or debt settlement without being in terms of a bankruptcy court with the power of the court are very unpredictable. Without the power of the bankruptcy court's prohibition on any collection action, you're at the mercy of creditors. You can't force a plan on them. You can't force a plan that's within your budget. And, well, I just can't say enough bad things about them. We see too many people that waste $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 before they realize that it's just disgusting. It's a fraud. They never should have started out. They just did it out of guilt. And it's pretty hard to get your money back from some boiler room outfit in Las Vegas. So if you're thinking about trying to avoid bankruptcy, take my free 20-minute credit counseling course on the internet. It's free. Just log on to infotapes.com. Better yet, spend $25 and take my 2-hour debtor education course. Cut your budget to the bone. Don't eat out again. Don't spend a spare nickel. Give it all to your creditors until you're done with them if you think you can. But don't go to a debt consolidation outfit. Don't believe their reviews. A lot of them are phony. There's a lot of that on the internet. And you can also read legitimate websites that criticize debt settlement, mortgage settlement, student loan settlement, and all that kind of thing. There's reliable information out there, including the Consumer Protection Bureau, that says that stuff is bad, BAD, capital letters. Don't do it.